Hey guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul the Tech Giant and welcome to the channel. So today's video is about screen burn prevention and incorrect information that I gave to you guys in one of my screen burn prevention videos. I do apologise about this and it was a genuine mistake, but hopefully I can rectify that in this video, and I'd like to think that it shouldn't have caused any problems anyway, because I've been running my TV with so-called the wrong setting for over a year, and as you may have seen in my previous video, the panel is perfectly fine when it comes to screen burn. So anyway, let's crack on and look at this information. So the setting that we're going to concentrate on is the logo luminance adjustment setting. Now the way we get to this is by grabbing your remote control and doing a long press on the settings button. This will bring up your picture settings, and then you're going to want to go down to OLED panel settings. Highlight and click on that, and then you will see logo luminance adjustment. Now there is three options. There is off, low and high. I incorrectly advised the best setting for burn-in prevention is to set it to low. In fact, you need to set it to high. The reason why I got it wrong is that I presumed that when it was saying low, that meant it's in low luminance of the static logo. But no, it just means that it's sort of not applying much adjustment. So you need to set it to high, which, like I said, I presumed that high meant that the luminance would be high, but no, this is wrong. So hopefully you can understand why I made this mistake. All that said, I will still be keeping it on low. Now, reason being, I've done some delving around on the internet, looked on numerous sites about this, and it does seem to be that everyone does really suggest, this is sort of like more experts as well now, that you set it to low, because when setting it to high, it can have a bit of an adverse effect on the picture, and not only will it lower the luminance of the logo, but a large portion of the screen. So let's say if it's up in this corner here, you know, you might have like a large area that goes dark, which obviously isn't great. It's, you know, it's entirely up to you what you want to do, but personally I am still going to keep mine set to low. One other thing I just want to point out as well is that out of the box, LG do actually ship these TVs with the logo luminance set to low anyway. Even themselves don't set it to high, which I think says something about the adjustment anyway. So again, take on board that if you will, and you know, make up your own mind which setting you would prefer to do. So there you have it then, guys. Once again, a massive apology for getting it wrong, but at the end of the day, I am only human. I know I don't look like it, but trust me, I am. And you know, we all make mistakes now and again, but at least I've come on here now and put it right for you guys. So anyway, if you have enjoyed this video, which you probably haven't, but if you have, I would really appreciate a thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, then maybe think about subscribing for more of the same in the future. So thanks very much for joining me today, and hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye for now.